Hello students, this is continuation part of immunity. So I told you about vaccination and all that acquired immunity structure of antibody. Here we will discuss about the see sometimes due to genetic or unknown reasons the body attacks self cells. This result in damage to the body and called as autoimmune disease. Student, this is very important that what is autoimmune disease? That बॉडी अटैक सेल्फ सेल बॉडी अपनी ही सेल पे अटैक करती है सो दिस इज कॉल्ड ऑटोइम्यून डिजीज एंड rheumatoid arthritis is the very good example of the autoimmune disease. Clear? So allergies, the exaggerated response of immune system to certain antigens present in the environment is called allergy. You have seen sometimes people saying मुझे pollen मुझे सॉइल से एलर्जी है किसी को pollen एलर्जी होती है राइट सो देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एलर्जीज एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सोर्सेज so the substance to which such immune response is produced those are called allergens. You can say that the substance which cause the allergy called as allergens. Clear? So the antibodies produced due to these are called IgE types, immunoglobulin E types. So question can be asked that which type of immunoglobulin produced by the allergy, right? So this is IgE type. Allergy is due to secretion of chemicals like histamine and serotonin from the mast cells. What is mast cell? Mast cell present in the liver, right? So from the mast cell, histamine and serotonin secreted. That's why allergy is caused. Allergy caused. So immune system in the human body. Let's say the human immune system includes lymphoid organ, tissue, cell and soluble molecules like antibodies. Right? Lymphoid organs are the organs where origin and maturation and proliferation of lymphocytes occur. Lymphocytes, you know very well that B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes are very important for the immunity or immune system. So lymphoid organs are those organs where lymphocytes maturation and formation takes place or proliferation takes place. So primary lymphoid organs include bone marrow and thymus gland, you know, right? After maturation, lymphocytes migrate to secondary lymphoid organ like spleen, lymph nodes, tonsils, Peyer's patches of small intestine and appendix. Clear? Remember it, Peyer's patches are present in the small intestine. Right, student? So they provide the sites for interaction lymphocytes with antigens. There is lymphoid tissues also located within the lining of respiratory, digestive and urogenital tract that is called as mucosal associated lymphoid tissue, that is MALT. It constitutes 50% of lymphoid tissues in human body, right? This is important. The full form of MALT, mucosal associated lymphoid tissue, where they found in the lining of respiratory, digestive and urogenital tract. Clear, students? I hope this is clear to all of you about immunity. If you have any doubt, any query, please ask me. Feel free for asking the questions. Thank you, students.